So guys, can you edit your blog after it has been published? So if you want to know if you can edit your blog after it has been published, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And the reason why you want to do that is to make it updated. So if you want to add more words or you want more something to say about your blog that you publish. So you may want to edit that and make it updated. So I'm going to show you in this video right here. So let's get down to it. You want to edit your blog that have been already published to keep it updated, and you want to also do that twice or once in a year. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So I want to edit one of my blog that have been published here. So you want to go to that particular blog. So let's say I want to edit this one here. So let's say I want to edit this blog here this has been already published. So you can edit the title here. If the blog is already ranking and is not bringing any traffic to your website, you may want to tweak the title a little bit so that just make sure that when you are tweaking it, just make sure that you don't go off the topic. The title is what the body is all about. The title is not different from the body right here. So make sure you tweak the title, but make sure the title is not different from what the blog is all about. So the permanent link, you want to leave the permanent link like this, the URL. The URL is what the Google and other search engine will use to find your website, so to find your blog. So you want to leave the URL alone. Okay. So the body, you can tweak the body a little bit. You can tweak the introduction right there. You can add more words here. The paragraph, you can add more paragraph. You can change this. Just make sure that you are not off the topic. Just make sure that anything you add is pertaining to what the title is all about. For example, if you are writing about how to breed a cat, then you don't want to talk about how to breed a dog and throughout your blog. Yeah. So you want to make sure that what the topic is all about is what you write, is what you are adding to the heading that you are writing about. So you can add more words, you can change the picture, you can add more image also. You can add tags, and you can also change the future image. You can add tags, you can add categories, you can add more categories. Another thing you don't want to change is the publish date. The publish date is right there. The publish date is September 2012. Yeah. So you don't want to change this publish date here. So you can change anything you like here. You can edit, you can add more words. You can change the paragraph. Just make sure that you are not off the topic. You can add video, you can add image. You don't off the topic of your blog. And another thing you want to do is when you finish editing your blog, you want to click update here. When you update the blog, then you want to take the URL. When you update your blog, let's say I've already updated my blog, and then you click update here. I've already edited my blog, so you click update here. Then when you finish, you go to your blog, the URL. Make sure you want to drop the URL to Google. Go to your search console and resubmit the URL here. This URL, make sure you go back to Search Console and resubmit it to Google, so that you tell Google that you've that should tell Google that you've edited your website, you edit your blog. So that's how you do it. Okay, and that's how you edit your blog that has been published already. So let me know, guys. Drop your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.